Hi guys, this is my hair. Um, Actually, I trimmed it a bit myself. It was a razor cut and didn't like the way that it was, so I went and cut the fringe. Um, and it's okay. I don't have the length that I want because it's only about that long right now. So I don't have the length. The length I need is about that much to actually get it recut into a butterfly cut, but I don't have that. So, how I wear my hair when I go in public. I've just washed my hair, and I've dried it. So I use my brush that I have here. So it's a round headed brush. What I do is I part it in the middle if I can see, and this is funny, and I get my fringe. So what I do is that head is I put, I don't know if you know the victory rules, yeah, like from the 1940s, but what I do is I tie it back. So this actually gives me extra length in my hair, as you can see. So it actually, my hair seems longer when it actually isn't long. And I do the other side. If you twist it, it gives it a better shape. I get confused with plaiting, so I don't plait it. But now the cornrows. So I have my hair grips. Like this is that long. So it's about 5 inches long, the hair grips. So now you can see how I do my hair, and it gives you the illusion, pardon me, that it's longer. I would have to clip that down, the other one, which is this side, with another clip. So you can see how my hair. So it actually looks long than what it is, but it's old. I guess you could call it an updo. So this is how I do my hair. So it's kind of an easy way of doing your hair without any hair products. Um, I'm sorry about the blouse not being ironed properly, because I didn't have the time. I also thought it might actually burn. So I said I can either iron it out, take the risk. I'm not sure if I have to put cloth on it before I iron it, But anyway, this is how I do my hair. Take care. Bye.